What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget drones in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you're seeking an affordable drone without compromising on quality, the Beta FPV Cetus Lite emerges as a top contender in the 2024 budget drone market. Let's delve deeper into the world of Beta FPV. They've cemented their reputation in the FPV drone sphere, a name synonymous with quality and innovation. Imagine being at a bustling FPV event amidst a diverse group of enthusiastic drone pilots. This is where Beta FPV's dedication to excellence truly stands out. One of the standout features of the Cetus Lite is the altitude hold, which maintains the drone at a specific height. This, in conjunction with the Lite Radio 1's dual-centered gimbals, allows novice users to effortlessly control the drone's altitude. The quadcopter also integrates a 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit sensor, to ensure safe flight. If a collision occurs, the Cetus Lite quadcopter's motors will automatically deactivate, safeguarding both the pilots and property. Safety is paramount, especially when children are involved. To end this, the Cetus Lite boasts a propeller guard design, preventing injuries to users. The frame, crafted from high-quality PA-12 material, is robust and resilient, capable of withstanding flight challenges. Users can fly the drone with confidence indoors and outdoors, without worrying about potential crashes. Before taking to the skies, you can hone your quadcopter flying skills using an FPV simulator. The Lite Radio 1 supports various FPV simulators, like DRL, DCL, Uncrashed, Liftoff, and it also allows for simultaneous charging in practice. The Cetus Lite FPV kit comprises VRO2 FPV goggles, and the quadcopter is equipped with a built-in FTXN camera. This setup offers users a first-person view, leading to a truly immersive flying experience. Additionally, users can monitor the quadcopter's flight status through the OSD information displayed on the goggles. The kit comes complete with a user manual, drone, transmitter, goggles, batteries, and all necessary accessories, all ready for takeoff. The Cetus Lite FPV drone kit is not only an excellent starting point for FPV beginners, but also a safe and engaging toy for children. Considering the price point, it's hard not to be impressed by what it offers. Welcome to the world of Rise Tello, the quintessential budget drone of 2024 that offers remarkable value for money. This compact yet feature-packed UAV is set to redefine cost-effectiveness for novice drone enthusiasts. The Rise Tello, crafted by DJI, is an ideal entry-level drone, boasting simplicity, compactness, and a host of safety features that minimize the risk of damaging the drone or surrounding property, making your drone flying journey even more enjoyable. The Rise Tello is a mini drone equipped with a front-facing camera capable of capturing 5-megapixel photographs and streaming video in 720p HD. Its lightweight and affordable design makes it the perfect quadcopter for indoor flight, especially for those dipping their toes into the hobby. Setting up the Rise Tello is a breeze. Download the app from the App Store, power on the drone, and voila, you're ready to take flight. This drone truly embodies the term ready to fly. Simply download the app onto your iPhone or Android device, power up the drone, connect the app, and you're set. The auto takeoff feature has you off the ground and exploring your surroundings from a fresh vantage point in no time. The propeller protection reduces the risk of collision, ensuring your precious belongings remain unscathed. The integrated 720p camera allows you to view the world from your drone's perspective and capture photos and videos mid-flight. With an estimated flight time of 13 minutes, one of the most appealing aspects of this drone is its portability. Its small, compact, and lightweight design means it can comfortably fit into your coat pocket. The absence of a separate controller makes traveling with the Tello even simpler, perfect for holidays and practicing your flight skills on the go. When compared to other drones, particularly those from DJI, the price point is also impressive. Tello's sleek design allows for seamless indoor flight, making it a perfect first drone. The Tello is designed to fly smoothly with precise movements, offering a controlled flight experience. The controls via mobile app are intuitive and easy to adapt to. Discrete built-in safety features, such as the sensor and propeller guards, blend seamlessly into the design. In conclusion, the Rise Tello earns a well-deserved thumbs up. If you're a novice drone enthusiast, the Holy Stone HS-175D is a worthy contender for your attention. The Holy Stone HS-175D might remind you of the affordable DJI Mini alternative due to its foldable design, ease of flight, and weight under 250 grams, which eliminates the need for registration in many countries, including the US. While both drones boast a 4K camera, the HS-175D lags behind the DJI Mini as it lacks 3-axis stabilization, making it challenging to capture ultra-smooth aerial footage. However, the remote angle adjustment feature of the HS-175D allows you to frame your desired subject effectively. The HS-175D comes with a handy case containing all accessories, a spare battery, additional propellers and screws, 2 USB battery chargers, a micro USB cable for RC charging, and user manuals in English and German. The case features a comfortable handle and an internal zippered mesh pocket for small components. With arms folded, the drone measures only 145 by 90 by 60 millimeters and can easily fit in your hand. The HS-175D comes with a compact entry-level remote control with collapsible phone holder and antenna. It houses a built-in battery that can be charged via a micro USB port. The front panel features 4 buttons: power, 1 takeoff, land, headless mode, and RTH, and a long press on the RTH button toggles between GPS external and optical flow internal flight modes. The maximum flight range is capped at 500 meters, a safety feature especially beneficial for novice pilots who can set a lower maximum flight radius. The maximum flight height is limited to 100 meters. As per Holy Stone specifications, the 2S1700 mAh battery offers up to 23 minutes of flight time under optimal conditions. Quality stuff. Up next, the DJI Mavic Mini 2 SE emerges as a commendable runner-up in the best budget drone category. The DJI Mini SE shines in its role, offering most features and substantial flight power of its successor, the Mini 2, but at a significantly lower cost. Despite concerns about the radio range and a trimmed feature list, the Mini SE comes powered by the same software found in pricier drones, making it a value-for-money proposition for everyone except power users. DJI swiftly demonstrated their capability to bring their primary creative tools, a remotely operated video-stabilized camera, to the lower price bracket with the Mavic Mini. This move sparked intense competition in the ultralight segment, with Autel and DJI introducing advanced professional features in drones, such as Evo Nano Plus, Mini 3 Pro, and Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini SE and its newer version, the Mini 2 SE, borrow more than just the name from the iPhone SE. They adopt the same philosophy of minimalism. The design of the Mini SE mirrors that of the DJI Mini 2, while its controller resembles the discontinued Mavic Mini. The Mini SE incorporates almost identical components as its predecessor, housed in the modern mold of the Mini 2, which symbolizes DJI's mid-range ultralight offerings. A major upgrade in the Mini 2 is the radio system, which enhances the drone's range, necessitating a new controller design. Despite lacking the latest technology, the Mini SE controller outperforms its successors in terms of size and weight, folding into a compact form. The Mini SE's airframe is slightly more angular than the Mini 3 Pro and is roughly the size of a large smartphone. It offers up to 30 minutes of flight time, which is impressive given its compact size. The camera attached to a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer lies beneath a removable plastic lens cover. The gimbal has sufficient space to navigate above the ground when placed on a flat surface, thanks to the front arm legs. The launch and takeoff experience with the Mini SE is quite similar to other DJI drones, such as the Mavic 3 or Mini 3 Pro, as they all utilize the DJI Fly app. The app includes a user-friendly guide composed of clear animated graphics and on-screen instructions. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Introducing the highly anticipated winner of the best budget drone in 2024, the DJI Mini 3. This new Gen DJI Mini 3 is a slightly scaled-down model that offers several enhancements over its predecessor, the Mini 2, including an extended flight time. The Mini 3 shares an almost identical camera with the Mini 3 Pro, even boasting the ability to capture images in portrait mode. Designed similarly to the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3's gimbal and camera are nearly indistinguishable. They're also capable of rotating to record vertical videos that are perfect for social media sharing. DJI has incorporated 4-in-1 pixel technology into the camera, also known as quad Bayer in the imaging industry, enabling it to produce 12-megapixel images with 2.4 efficient photo sites. The Mini 3 is compatible with the DJI remote control that comes with the Mavic 3 series, as well as the RC-N1 remote control. You can purchase the Mini 3 as a standalone product if you already own these remotes. In terms of flight, steering, and maneuverability, the Mini 3 performs just like the Mini 3 Pro. The primary difference is the absence of obstacle avoidance sensors. Compared to the Mini 2, the Mini 3's body is more sturdy despite having the same weight and can handle strong winds much more effectively. It is also observed that the Mini 3's gimbal is significantly more stable than the Mini 2's. The Mini 3 Pro is the only DJI model under 250 grams that comes with obstacle avoidance sensors. If you're not planning to register your drone, ensure you use a battery labeled Ultra Light to keep it at 249 grams, exempting it from registration. The Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro's intelligent flight batteries are interchangeable, making the Mini 3 an excellent backup model for the Pro or potential upgrade option for those seeking more advanced setups. If you appreciate features like master shots, subject tracking, hyperlapse creation, or shooting 4K 60p video, the top-tier Pro model is your best bet. With a battery life of up to 38 minutes, the Mini 3 allows for extended flights without worrying about battery life. With the ability to film in 4K HDR video, you can expect crystal clear aerial shots with details and highlights and shadows, regardless of the time of day. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best budget drones in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.